My name is Noah Kiptalam Rono. I come from Kenya, from Rift Valley province, a town called Eldoret. I came to Manipal Hospital seeking help for my surgeries on my legs. I got in some accident sometimes back in 2005, but I was done good surgery in Nairobi Hospital. In 2015, I fell. On falling down, I spoiled my femur. I was redone the surgery. From then on, I did not walk properly. It developed an infection almost immediately I was done. It was removed and put a spacer on my leg. So after removal of the spacer, I started having a problem with my right leg. Having pain, I could not walk, my leg shortened. So that's why I started looking for assistance from India.
I first saw Mr. Noah Rono, a 52-year-old gentleman from Eldoret, Kenya, who works as a government administrative officer. So his first complaints was hip pain that sustained after a fracture he had in 2004 in a road traffic accident. After that, he was told that he got a hip fracture on the left side which needed surgery. So they went ahead and did a left total hip replacement, and patient was doing perfectly fine till about 10 years back. Unfortunately, in 2015, he again fell down, and this time he had a fracture around the prosthesis, which we call as a periprosthetic fracture. Now he had an infection in his left hip that had to be cleared. At the same time, he noticed increasing pain in the right hip, and X-ray showed that he had developed a right hip arthritis, probably from loading the right hip more. Now in 2019, his left hip was again revised for the third time. They cleared him of infection, put an antibiotic spacer or a temporary hip, which was never taken up. So he was working on that temporary hip from 2019 for the next 2 years till now.
But I was really surprised to be told that my left leg, had a spacer but no bone. The infection ate the entire bone, meaning from my hip joint to near my knee. But I thank God of Dr. Sunil Kini, whom I had followed him, and actually I had my trust in him. He gave me a proper orientation on how the surgeries were going to be done.
Now the challenge was that both his hips had to be replaced. The first thing was that the left hip had to be clear of infection. So we did blood tests and workup, and luckily he had no infection of the left hip. That means he was ready for both the hips to be replaced. So as per patient's demands, his right hip, which was simpler and was affected more, was first done. So I did the right total hip replacement first using unsymmetric implants. The surgery went well, and after 4 days, then we did the left hip. Now his left hip was totally destroyed because of infection, and the whole upper two-third of the thigh was destroyed, and the socket was gone as well. So the only surgery on the left side was what possible was a proximal femur replacement. So what we did here was we replaced the whole thigh bone of two-thirds of the thigh bone, and a special type of socket to prevent dislocation was used, which we call as a dual mobility socket. So this left revision hip replacement was done 1 week after the right hip surgery. So now the patient was initially short by more than 10 centimeters on the left side, and now that shortening has been reduced to 3.5 centimeters. So patient is walking perfectly fine after both the surgeries. Patient is doing well, his rehab is going on, and we expect him that in another 4 to 6 weeks time he should be walked with minimal aid or without support. So patient is extremely happy and is doing well. We at Manipal offer these kind of primary and redo or revision joint replacements because we have a good setup which includes the surgical team, the anesthetic nursing team, the physiotherapists, and the intensivists and pain management as well.
I want to actually give thanks to Dr. Sunil Kini, and what I would always recommend to my fellow friends who have orthopedic problems like me, I would feel Dr. Kini would be the best doctor to see in Manipal Hospital. I like the hospitality, I like the doctors, I liked everybody. Everyone was good to us. Now that we are treated and going back home, I want to say thank you.